Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use Gemini AI Pro free. Just go to Google, search for Gemini student offer, and you will land up on this page where if you're a college student, you get Gemini upgrade for 1 year for free. Basically, it's worth 19,500 Indian rupees. You get VO3 deep research, NotebookLM, and 2 TB free with this. Saying that if you try to get offer, if you end up on this page, then your ID, the offer is not available for your existing email ID. So I would suggest to go to incognito mode and go to Gmail, create an account for personal use and create a new email ID. I will suggest you to use around 2004, 2005, 2006. You will end up in around 20 years of age, so that will be the expectation for Google. So here, Mr. Wind. Let's see what's available. Mr. Wind 70. Yeah, that will do. Do your password, and at this stage you have to scan with your phone. I'm going to scan with my phone. And we get a link, and this asks you to send an SMS to validate this. Open the messages and we send it. Look at that. So that got validated, and yeah, so that's our new email ID. I agree with that. Yeah, there we go. We are into our new email address, and now let's check Gemini student offer. Look at that, and let's try. Fingers crossed. Look at that. That's monthly, 1 year free. University students get Gemini in Google AI. So verify your eligibility. Let's do that. And it's asking for a school. Let me see. That's, you choose any university and then any, your first name, your last name, and for date of birth use the same as you used, July 31st 1982. And now go to a new tab and use make a student ID online. We'll go to this Gamista student ID card maker, and okay, now type your name as the same name you gave, and for the picture just use any South Indian college student pic. Just go to the image and yeah, choose any of your image, download it. Okay, let's save this image. Now choose the file, the school college name, just copy exactly what it is here you choose and use it here. Use any college logo and class, just put any CSC, roll number 2025 P133, just something. I'm just making it up. I'll just keep this for record just in case if you need it. I'm just using that ID. This email ID can be a student email ID is preferred, but you can use your email ID as well. So we'll use this email ID. And date of birth is 31/07/2005, as we gave. This one is 2025, use this year. Address, use the same. Where's the college? Use a 10-digit number, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then create a card. Student ID created, that is your ID card. Let's take a chance, download this. That's the student ID card. Save and verify student status. Upload. You can add school ID card with the expiry date, class schedule, tuition receipt. File must be JPEG. Okay. Let's use that. So ID card is updated and then just submit. That's 20 seconds. Sometimes it takes half an hour to 1 hour as well. So you just need to wait and see if it is getting processed. You have been verified. So next, finish subscription. Go to Google AI Pro for 1 year at no cost. Get Google AI Pro. Look at that. University students get Gemini. Now get the student offer. And you can use your card, a redeem code. I don't have. I'm going to use pay with the UPI, and I am going to use, okay, now you can use your full name as in so I'm going to use my state as Tamil Nadu and India. Okay. Starting today, it's 12 months free trial, and then July 19th 2026 it will be 1950 rupees per month including tax. To verify the payment method, you will be charged 2 Indian rupees, which will be refunded in 10 days. Cancel anytime subscription on Google Play. You won't be charged if you cancel before 19th 2026. We'll send you reminder 7 days before. So now I'm going to choose this UPI QR code. Okay, let's choose this. Yeah, and click subscribe. This is giving a QR code, so I'm going to choose the camera and scan the code, set auto pay. The payment is gone through for 2 INR and I got subscribed. Voila. Now Google AI Pro benefits: access to our most capable model and premium features, create high quality videos with VO models, more access to Gemini features including deep research, 5 into more audio overview source in NotebookLM, Gemini in Gmail Docs, Suites and more, Gemini in Gmail Docs and more, 2 TB of storage. Go to Gemini. Look at that. That's a pro version of Gemini. And we got access to everything. Look at here. That's awesome. Now we could use this even on the normal browser. Though I'm connected to Indian VPN, Indian IP address through my Surfshark VPN, but still I'm able to access it with without I'm on incognito mode. Okay, now the next thing is we need to cancel the payment. You need to go to this URL, which I will paste it on the description, which it says Google AI Pro. Next payment is on July 19th. Make sure you go to the manage and cancel subscription. Cost related user, technical issue, decline to answer, others, decline to answer. I choose that. Your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on July 19, 2026, which is 1 year from now, and you won't be charged anymore. After this date, you no longer have access to these benefits from Google One. That's fine. Let's cancel it. You have successfully cancelled your subscription. Look at that. It's done. It's cancelled. Your subscription will end on 19th. Primary payment method, backup payment method. Okay, that's all done. That's it. Google AI Pro for free. No student ID is needed, and you are all covered. Until we meet you on the next video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.